Welcome to Machinery Magazine, where giant tunnel boring machines reveal the incredible engineering, technology, and precision behind building tomorrow's underground world. Few moments in underground construction are as satisfying as a tunnel breakthrough. After months of working unseen beneath busy streets, two tunnel boring machines finally emerge into daylight, marking a major milestone for Sydney's 5 Dock metro station. These enormous machines have travelled several kilometres through varying ground conditions while maintaining remarkable accuracy. Guided by advanced navigation systems, they excavate continuously, install reinforced concrete tunnel segments, and create permanent underground structures at the same time. The entire process takes place with minimal disruption to the communities above. The breakthrough is much more than a visual spectacle. It confirms that thousands of engineering calculations, geological investigations, and construction decisions have worked exactly as planned. Every meter of progress represents careful coordination between operators, surveyors, geologists, mechanics, electricians, and logistics teams working around the clock. Modern metro systems depend heavily on this technology. Tunnel boring machines reduce noise, vibration, and surface excavation compared with traditional open-cut construction, making them ideal for densely populated cities where transportation networks, utilities, and buildings must remain operational throughout construction. Once the TBMs complete their journey, the machines are carefully dismantled or transported for refurbishment before beginning new projects elsewhere. Behind them remains a precisely engineered tunnel that will eventually carry trains transporting thousands of passengers every day. Projects like 5 Dock demonstrate how modern infrastructure combines mechanical innovation with long-term urban planning. Every successful breakthrough brings a city one step closer to faster public transportation, reduced traffic congestion, lower emissions, and more sustainable growth for future generations. To truly appreciate modern tunneling, it helps to understand exactly how a tunnel boring machine operates beneath the Earth's surface. This animation demonstrates the working principles of an earth pressure balance, or EPB, tunnel boring machine manufactured by Herrenknecht, one of the world's leading builders of large-scale tunneling equipment. The machine itself is an engineering giant. Measuring more than 95 meters in length and over 12 meters in diameter, it functions as a complete underground factory. Every major system, from excavation and spoil removal to tunnel construction and quality monitoring, is integrated into one continuously moving operation. At the very front is the rotating cutter head. Driven by powerful hydraulic motors, it slowly turns while pressing against the tunnel face with tremendous force. Rather than relying on high speed, the machine depends on enormous torque to break through clay, silt, sand, gravel, and mixed ground conditions. As soil is excavated, it enters the pressurized excavation chamber directly behind the cutter head. This chamber performs one of the most important functions of the entire system. Instead of allowing the surrounding earth to collapse into the opening, the excavated material itself becomes a controlled support medium. By carefully balancing earth pressure against external ground pressure, the machine keeps the tunnel face stable throughout excavation. Different geological conditions require different approaches. When necessary, operators inject water, bentonite slurry, or specialized foam into the excavation chamber. These conditioning agents improve the consistency of the soil, making it easier to transport while maintaining the pressure needed to protect the surrounding ground. The conditioned material then moves into a large screw conveyor positioned beneath the excavation chamber. Its rotational speed is carefully adjusted to match the machine's forward advance. Removing too much soil would reduce support pressure and increase settlement risks. Removing too little would create excessive pressure ahead of the machine. Maintaining this delicate balance is one of the defining features of EPB tunneling. Throughout the operation, hundreds of sensors continuously monitor pressure, cutter head torque, screw conveyor performance, hydraulic systems, machine position, and excavation conditions. Operators inside the control cabin receive real-time information, allowing immediate adjustments whenever geological conditions change. Once a complete excavation stroke has been finished, tunneling pauses and another highly coordinated process begins: ring construction. Inside the protective steel shield, workers operate under normal atmospheric pressure while assembling the tunnel's permanent lining. Prefabricated reinforced concrete segments are manufactured above ground with extremely tight dimensional tolerances before being transported underground using specialized rail vehicles. A transfer crane unloads each segment and places it onto a feeder system that delivers it to the erector. This hydraulically powered robotic arm carefully lifts every segment using vacuum lifting equipment before rotating, extending, and positioning it with millimeter-level precision. Each tunnel ring consists of several individual segments. They are installed one by one in a carefully planned sequence until only the final keystone segment remains. Once inserted, this final piece locks the entire ring together, allowing loads to be distributed evenly around the tunnel circumference. With the new ring completed, the hydraulic cylinders extend once again. Instead of pushing against the surrounding soil, they now push against the newly installed concrete lining. This allows the entire machine to advance safely while protecting both workers and the completed tunnel structure. Behind the shield, another important process takes place almost simultaneously. An annular gap naturally exists between the outside of the concrete lining and the excavated ground. This space is immediately filled with specially formulated grout injected through the machine's tail section. The grout stabilizes the tunnel, prevents settlement, and ensures long-term structural support. Although each tunnel ring appears perfectly circular, every ring is manufactured with a slight taper. By rotating the orientation of successive rings, engineers can gradually steer the machine through horizontal and vertical curves without interrupting excavation. Supporting this entire operation is the machine's extensive backup system. Stretching more than 80 meters behind the cutterhead, it houses hydraulic power units, electrical equipment, ventilation systems, laser guidance instruments, pumps, workshops, storage containers, spare parts, communication systems, and operator facilities. It is essentially a fully equipped underground industrial plant, moving forward together with the machine. Logistics are equally impressive. Continuous belt conveyor systems transport thousands of tons of excavated material from the cutterhead all the way back to the launch shaft. As the tunnel becomes longer, the conveyor network is extended section by section to keep pace with construction. Meanwhile, new concrete lining segments are delivered into the tunnel using dedicated transport vehicles, creating a constant flow of materials moving in opposite directions beneath the city. Maintenance is another critical aspect of successful tunneling. Cutting tools experience enormous wear, especially when excavating abrasive rock. Wear sensors alert operators when replacement becomes necessary. Before technicians can safely access the cutterhead, the excavation chamber is stabilized and, when required, pressurized with compressed air. Individual disc cutters are then removed using specialized lifting tools before new cutting tools are installed, allowing excavation to continue safely. Under favorable geological conditions, an EPB tunnel boring machine can construct hundreds of meters of finished tunnel within a single week. Every advance represents an extraordinary combination of mechanical engineering, automation, geology, logistics, surveying, material science, and human expertise. These remarkable machines have transformed underground construction across the world. Today, they build metro systems, railway tunnels, highway crossings, water transfer projects, sewer systems, and utility corridors beneath some of the world's most crowded cities, all while minimizing disruption at the surface. The result is one of modern engineering's greatest achievements, creating permanent underground infrastructure with incredible precision, while people above continue their daily lives almost unaware of the immense machine working silently below their feet. Thanks for watching Machinery Magazine. If you enjoyed exploring these incredible tunnel boring machines, please like, subscribe, and join us again for more remarkable engineering and construction innovations worldwide.